In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a design from Figma to Framer step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to move your layout from Figma into Framer much faster. This is a super useful workflow if you're turning mockups into a live website, because it helps you save time and keep your design process smooth. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, open Figma and load up the design you want to copy. Make sure the file you want is ready, because the plugin will work based on the design you currently have open. Once your design is on the screen, go to Plugins in Figma. You can usually find this from the top menu, and this is where you'll be able to add tools that help with exporting or transferring your work. In the plugin search bar, type Framer. You're looking for the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin, so once you see it, install it. This plugin is what makes the copy process possible. After it's installed, go back to Plugins and click the plugin again to activate it. This step is important because installing it alone isn't enough. You need to actually launch it so it can connect to your design. Now click on the Figma design you want to copy. Make sure the right frame, section, or component is selected, because the plugin will use whatever is currently chosen. If you want to transfer a full page layout, select the full frame. If you only want a specific section, select that section instead. Once your design is selected, let the plugin process it. It will prepare the content so you can move it into Framer. After that, open your Framer project. This should be the page or site you want to paste the design into. Inside Framer, place your cursor where you want the design to go and paste it in. Depending on the plugin output, the design should come through with the structure you selected from Figma. From there, you can review the layout, adjust spacing, and fine-tune anything that needs a little cleanup. This is especially helpful if you want to quickly move from design to build without recreating everything manually. If something doesn't look perfect, don't worry. You can still edit and refine it inside Framer after pasting. The goal here is to speed up the workflow and get your Figma design into Framer as efficiently as possible. So to recap, open Figma, open your design, go to Plugins, search for Framer, install the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin, activate it again from Plugins, select your design, then go to your Framer project and paste it. That's the full process. If this video helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.